Hello, and welcome to Show Me Cables. Today we're going to be taking a look at DisplayPort adapters. This is the DisplayPort Male to DVI-I Dual Link female adapter. It features a DisplayPort Male connector on one side and a DVI-I Dual Link female connector on the other side. The adapter can be used to connect from a DisplayPort source to a DVI monitor. Just to make sure there isn't any confusion, DisplayPort connectors resemble an HDMI connector, but DisplayPort has a squared off side, where HDMI has two angled sides. The adapter will accept both DVI-I and DVI-D cables and supports resolutions up to 1920 by 1200. The DisplayPort Male to DVI-I Dual Link female adapter is a quick and easy solution for your video needs. If you still have any questions, you can give our customer service department a call at 888-519-9505. For all of your cable and connector needs, choose Show Me Cables.